Alright. Hey guys, what's up? This is I'm Batman, and today I'm playing Royal Squad, which is basically a strategy game, and that is very loud. Alright, hopefully you can hear my voice over this. One second, let me turn it on a little bit. I'm basically gonna, you guys can just pause it. I didn't really read this the first time I played it. Alright, I guess we're gonna start here. Normal wave. Oh, by the way, there's a swear word in here, so I'll tell you when. Alright, plus. Oh, that's just one. Fight. Alright, so those are good guys. And we're fighting like skeleton people. And we got like abilities down at the bottom. Alright. Are there more people than there were when I played before? Wait, why isn't it following my mouse? Oh, there it is. So basically, you control the archers where they shoot, and the magician just does whatever the heck he wants because he's a freaking magician. Okay, one second. Uh-oh. Not good. They're getting closer. Shoot them down. I don't want to use any power-ups. They're down here, by the way. No, don't shoot down there. No, shoot him. Kill him. There you go. Oh, not good. Not good. Shoot him. Oh, so good. Oh, he shot an arrow. Okay, bad word. Bad word in 3, 2, 1. There you go. I know that for these guys, pretty soon I'm going to have to use power up. And almost likely to use lightning and then soldiers after that. Yeah, for those guys back there, I'll just use lightning. Shoot the person, please. Okay, whew, that was close. No, my mouse got stuck. No, kill him! Oh, not good. Dang it, no! Oh, we got him. All right, second. Just use lightning right here. Boom! Oh, what? I thought they killed more people. I got this though. I can distract them with these guys right here. It just slows them down. They'll have to decide to stay back and fight them for some reason. Oh, one-shotting everybody. The Knights are. Yay! Night. Did I really just say night 1 passed like it was Five Nights at Freddy's? This is talking about how like they're boost their power. Wait a second. Oh gosh. Kill this guy. There you go, he's dead now. He was easier than I thought. Last time it lightning didn't even kill him. Probably because it was a direct hit. Alright, there should not be any more bad words. Someone please shoot that guy, at the very front. Oh gosh. Goodbye. Oh gosh, no. They're dying. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Come on, just kill that guy, please. There you go. Alright. I don't have to start for him. And down they fell. No, no. So many. Not cool. Oh. Goodbye, people. What? I hardly did anything. Unleash everything. Oh, those are just traps. No. I choose sneezes. What? Oh my, what? That's a bad guy right there. No. Oops, that was sort of an accidental sneezing magic. So, okay. Oh, my bad. I clicked on the wrong button. Shoot them down! I killed like half of them that time. Okay, there you go. Yes! First one down. Alright. Well, that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.